Hi, good morning, children. Here I am back with another session today. Yes, please open your term books, Choral Primary Term 2 children. Today our subject is to discuss about maths. So, we have completed comparisons, light, heavy, long, short, inside, outside. And we also learned about shapes, no? Circle, square, triangle, and rectangle. We started writing the numbers. Yes, we have stopped till 25. So, today we'll write 2, 6, 26. Open at 54 children, your page number 54, that is 54. Yes, see the same we are following now, just we completed the comparisons and shapes. So you just go on learning the numbers. Today, it's your turn to write the number 2, 6, 26. So what should we start from? Yes, we have to start from counting the ducks. Start from counting the ducks once. Yes, count along with me. Remember the numbers again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. 2, 6, 26. Yes, here they have given a tracing session. As you all know, we are doing since many days. So pick your pencils. See, start at the green dot they have provided. 2, 6, 26. Only inside the box, try to write it. 2, 6, 26. Only try to write inside the box, children. 2, 6, 26. Read along with me and write it. 2, 6. 26. 26. Write in the boxes, trace it and write. And after that, you complete the tracings in the given boxes and start writing here. They have given the green dots, no? Start at the green dots. 2, 6. Starting points are given here. Write it. 2, 6, 26. Practice, children. Wherever they have given the green dots, just write it. Don't forget to count. Here, let us see closely how to write 2, 6, 26.
Trace and write.
Hope you understand, children. Even though here they have given a tracing session, that will be easy for you. Complete the page number 54, 2, 6, 26 and turn your page. Yes, here obviously we'll having an activity session. You have to identify the number 2, 6, 26 and circle it. We are doing it now. You already know how to do it. Yes, but what I'll tell, read all the numbers, not only just finding 2, 6, 26. Read all the numbers given. 2, 5, 25, 2, 6, 26. Yes, this is 26. 2, 1, 21. 2, 6, 26. Again, here it is 26. 1, 1, 11. 2, 6, 26. 1, 3, 13. 2, 6, 26 again. 2, 8, 28. 2, 6, 26. Yes, here is another 26. 1, 2, 12. 1, 6, 16. 2, 9, 29. Here it's again. 2, 6, 26. And last 1, 0, 10. Yes, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 26s are given in this page. Do it by your own and just give to your mama to make it get corrected. Okay, you have already have an idea about it. Turn your page, children. Yes, here is the next number. What is the next number after number of 26? Yes, it is 27. Yes, you are a very smart kids. You know it very well, right? So start again counting from the ducks. 1 to 27. Start again. Start the counting again. Trace and write. This would be your home task. 1 I have shown for you, no? 26 I shown for you how to count. And have to write. You have to write, trace all the 2, 7, 27 and write here. They have provided green dots, no? Count it with the ducks and trace it. 2, 7, 27 and start writing also. The green, from the green dot itself, you have to start writing, right? Let's have a look how the directions you have to write the number 27.
Trace and write.
2, 7, 27. Again, 2, 7. See how they are writing? So, try to start from this green dot and complete it. The green dot is a starting point. Okay, turn your page, children. Yes, here is also the circling the number of 2, 7, 27. In previous page, you circle number 2, 6, 26, no? Now you have to circle 2, 7, 27. You have to do it by your own. You have the books with you now. Just do it and make the correction from your mama or papa. The same, you have to turn your page. This was the last one. 2, 8, 28. Count the ducks, children. Count the number of ducks they have given, whether they are 28, 27 or 29. You have to count, no? Whether they have given correct or not. Okay, let us see first how to write it.
Trace and write.
2, 8, 28. Yes, children. So this is a little bit twisty for you to write. From the green dot, you have to start writing 2. This is, you have to twist like S and you have to write 8. 2, 8, 28. Practice it, children. You'll definitely get it. 2. Practice it like an S and just twist it. 2, 8, 28. From the green dots here, they have given to start it. 2, 8, 28. So complete the page by tracing and writing. Right? You know how to complete it? And turn your next page. Here is an activity again. Circle the number 28. Look at all the numbers. Read them outside. 21, 21. 29, 29. 28, 28. Similarly, you only have to do this activity session and correct by your mama. Just you have to practice 3 numbers today, children. What are those? 2, 6, 26. 2, 7, 27. And 2, 8, 28. When the turn comes to Max, it's little bit. You have to write it. I can't do anything. So while in the EVS, we used to discuss the rhyme, no? So today I have given 3 written parts and 3 activities, 26, 27 and 28. Hope you'll do it, children. You like the session. Don't skip doing homeworks. Do it and make correction by your mom. See you, children. Keep smiling. See you in the next class. Bye.